For my Tinkercad project, I decided I'm going to try to make this. This is an NBA basketball hoop. I decided to make a basketball hoop, but I didn't want it to be too basic, so I went with the NBA one, which is designed for players to have room on the baseline there. So it goes back further than a normal hoop would at a park or a YMCA. And then they have a shot clock as well. And I think there'll be some interesting shapes that I'll have to make, like the net and the rim, and that's why I decided to use that. So 35 minutes in, this is what I've got to on my NBA basketball hoop. So as you can see, I kind of got the structure down with the rim, the backboard. A couple things I need to even out a little bit, make sure everything aligns right. And then I need to add a use of holes and a couple more shapes and some designs and a net. So here's my finished project for the Tinkercad assignment. It's my NBA hoop. I unfortunately couldn't figure out how to make a net, but I added a hole in the back for a place to hold a little ball. I added the shot clock that says 24, which is the standard seconds for the shot clock in the NBA. I put a little NBA logo on the rim. I added a connector for the rim to the backboard, which is what hoops have in real life. And I aligned the poles together. And yeah, that's my completed work. Thank you.